Okay friends, today I will tell you about another website of my PTC strategy. It's called as SCARLETCLICKS. This website is the most legitimate I ever see. This is an old website and it's working for about 12 years and still paying. In this website you can earn money very easily and a lot of options such as view ads, earn more. These options you can see that, and other options are also available when we log into this website. You can earn with these different options like SCARLETCLICKS, P2P, leaderboard, offers for all, medium paths, Skippy ads, Wanna ads, CPX research. You can earn good money in it. Scarlet Great. This is like a lottery. By viewing an ad you can earn $1 or nothing. It's up to your luck. You have to view ads, then this, but the earning is not confirmed, but you can earn big amount also. These are other options: P2P, leaderboard, offers for all, medium paths, Skippy ads, Wanna ads. These options are mostly about viewing ads and conducting surveys. You can earn more money with it. You have to spend more time on it if you want to work on these options. You can earn even $1,000 a month, but the main disadvantage is that these options are not available in every country. In countries where these offers are not available, you can earn money only by viewing ads. If that is so, then you should follow my pay-to-click strategy, in which you can earn big amounts just by viewing ads. You can find the detailed video in my online earning playlist. To earn money from this website, you must first register. If you have already an ID, you don't need to register here. The registration process here is very simple. You have to fill this form, put your general information, full name, date of birth, put an email and confirm the email, username, password, and payment account details. This detail is used for depositing money in this website or withdraw money from Payeer, from in Payeer account, in Bitcoin account, in Neteller, Skrill account. In all types of these types of accounts you can withdraw money, and you can put your payment account details later. If you don't want to put here, you can leave these empty and put your payment account detail later, and then put an image verification, solve this captcha, and then check these terms of service that you have read and agree to abide the SCARLETCLICKS rules, and then click the register button. and your account has been created. Now you can work and earn money from this website. I have already an account and I am working in this website, therefore I have to just log into this website. I will show you my progress and big earnings in the upcoming videos. You have to, for login, you have to put your username, password, and solve this captcha. No. As I am working in it and earning money from this website, I will show you my progress and big earnings. In the upcoming videos, so subscribe my channel and keep coming back to my channel, like my videos, and you can comment below. If you have any question about earning from this website, I will answer. Now let's start working. As you can see, a lot of options. Pay to sign up is another extra option we see when we log into this website. Only view ads is available in all countries, therefore I am concerned with only this tab. If you want to earn from view ads or in your area or in your country, all of the other options are not available. As in my country, these are not available. Only SCARLETCLICKS, which have not any confirmed earning. All the other options are not available. Most of the options which concern to the service in which we can earn big amounts, these are not available in countries, so I just stick with view ads. So if the same problems occurs with you and you want to follow my pay-to-click strategy, you can earn good amount only by viewing ads. Okay, we can start viewing ads here. Let's see. Okay, there is here we can see three types of ads: fixed advertisements, bonus ads, micro ads, tiny ads. First of all, when you start working in this website, you will get only 6 to 8 fixed advertisement and no micro ads, no tiny ads at all, I think. And gradually the number of ads become growing and growing if you work consistently in this website. So if you have the chance to view more ads, you will earn more money. So I use a fixed advertisement. I view all these ads. I don't use bonus ads. And because the bonus ads and paid to sign ups, these are same thing. You have to sign up to a website or you have to complete a job mentioned in this website. Mostly if you sign up to a website one time, you cannot earn from these by signing again to the same website. So these ads, bonus ads, takes time and just bothering me. I just don't use these. And the other ads, if you view and if you follow my strategy, you have to view just fixed advertisement, and all the other ads leaving bonus ads. So these ads take a very small time, and you have to just invest time about 10 minutes viewing these ads. This is not a big deal, you can do it daily. It depends on your internet speed also. So let's see. I viewed this one ad. Okay, it just take time in loading the first ad, but you see the second ad didn't take any time in loading. There was some fault in internet connection, I think so. If your internet connection is okay, it just takes 10 seconds to view an ad. And if you get about 20 ads, you can view all these ads in about 2 to 3 minutes, or maximum you can take 10 minutes viewing these ads. So this is very small time to invest, and gradually, if you working consistently in this website, I will show you in the upcoming videos great tricks and great procedures to earn big amounts from this website. Now we are earning in cents, and we will be able to earn in dollars very soon, and I will show you the video. So if you want to watch those videos and if you want to learn those tricks, just subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, like videos, and keep commenting on my videos. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will reply and I will answer you that how can you work very well. So now it's taking time in loading, taking time a little bit more because of the speed of my internet. Otherwise you can view it more fast than I am viewing now. Just click the upside icon and thanks for watching. When you see this message, you are being credited. So this is very easy job and you will enjoy this earning money. So there are different types of ads, fixed advertisement, as I said you before, micro ads, tiny ads, but every ads viewing procedure is the same. Now let's see this micro ad, and the difference between the micro ad and fixed advertisement is that micro ad will have very small view time. Tiny ads see this, they are loading very fast, so you can do all the job like this. You can view all ads like this. So in this video we learned that how to work in this website and how to register to this website. This is an initial video, and I am showing you my earnings of my standard account. This account is not upgraded. I earned already about $0.69, and my points are also 1000. If I got 10,000 points, it is also equal to $1. We can convert points, see this button, and I have one direct referral. If you want to join this via my referral link, you can find the link below in the description, and I will show you in the upcoming videos that how can we earn more money with viewing ads, how to upgrade this account, and how to get more money, how to buy rented referrals, and how to earn, how to manage rented referrals. So most of the things are coming. Subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.